this video I'll be showing you how you can create this Nike website from scratch, and by the end of this video you'll be able to create something similar to this. And in the description I'll be providing the assets folder for all the images I've used for this website, and also any other changes that you're supposed to make while creating this project. And also we'll be using React for this. You can use Next.js, or you can use your own web, provided you get the result right. So in here you can see I have this logo here, and also I have the navigation bar, of which if I click anything you can see that it's scrolling down, which makes it good. And then I have this, can we call it image switcher? If I click this, it changes the image there, and also this one, and also this one. And we have these buttons, and as I continue to scroll you can see I have the popular product section, and we have these beautiful cards for the images. And then we have this about section, discover premium footwear. And then if I continue scrolling down, you can see we have this, what can we call this, our services: quick delivery, payment security, dedicated support. And then we also have this deals, special offer that is. And then we have the customer reviews, and then we have the newsletter, and also we have the footer. So by the end of this project you'll be able to create something similar. And one thing about this project is that it's fully responsive. Let's first test this navigation bar. You can add the sign in here, but this is a front-end application, so ours doesn't have that. And if I come to the mobile devices, you can see that it's fully responsive, and you can see this image switcher is also working. We have this beautiful website. So by the end of this video I'll be showing you how you can create this, and make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and we are going to start by creating our project using Vite and React.